Riding in classic American fashion is something that Heritage Classic, an institution, caters to. Floorboards, complete fenders, lockable saddlebags, and a detachable windscreen provide for many enjoyable journeys. This 2023 Harley Davidson Heritage Classic, which is powered by a Milwaukee 8114 engines and is essentially the same as last year's model, is likely the one with the most configuration possibilities available. There are 4 distinct color choices, some solid and some two-tone, along with gorgeous spoked alloy wheels and chrome or black finishing. Based on the Softail Cruiser's base, the Heritage Classic is constructed. As demonstrated by the Lowrider ST, that doesn't stop it from traveling. But this is not a road-oriented chassis, rather, it is constructed with a road orientation. With power, the Milwaukee 8114 rumbles. You can feel the 728-pound motorcycle's 119 feet lbs of power at 3,000 revolutions per minute in the finest manner conceivable. The rumbling is just as satisfying as the grunt. With a simple twist of the throttle, the motorbike may accelerate to any desired speed. There is ample power available at every speed and in every gear. The Heritage Classic from Harley shares the same lighter and stronger frames as the rest of the Softail lineup. The motorcycle weighs 330 kilograms when wet, so it's still hefty. The Heritage Classic is incredibly nimble for a heavyweight touring motorbike, and its maximum lean angle is 1% higher than before because of the taller footrest. Though it may not seem like much, on tighter bends, it makes a big impact. The board is still easily scratched in spite of this. The bike seems substantially heavier while stopping than when it is accelerating. Riding a motorbike at a high speed may be exhausting, and the medium-height bars need to be pushed sufficiently to keep the machine upright. Owners who ride their motorcycles with 2 persons and carry luggage will find great value in the new monoshock at the rear with preload adjustments and the more than sufficient dual bending valve fork up front. There is not enough stopping power in the Heritage Classic. The front brakes might be crisper, while the rear brake is helpful and progressive but ultimately not very powerful. Considering the weight of the motorbike, 330 kg, plus the potential extra 250 kg for the rider, pillion, and gear, an extra disc might be helpful. Although traction control is not an option, ABS is standard. Harley claims that due of the bike's low center of gravity and wide ground contact area, it doesn't require it. The motorbike gets good mileage with its enormous 18.9-liter fuel tank and 42 mpg fuel efficiency, and you won't want to get off thanks to the comfy seat. The ergonomics of riders are actually very good in many aspects. Because of this, Harley Davidson has included more than 300 choices for the new Softail range, including seats, pegs, and bars that are specifically made for shorter cyclists. Keyless ignition, a security systems, and a USB port in the steering head are standard features on all Softail models. The upright riding position, floorboards, passenger seat, detachable windscreen, and saddlebags are hallmarks of the HD Heritage Classic 2023. This gorgeous cruiser motorbike can be quickly converted from touring to cruising mode. For extended rides, you may fast remove the screen to give your bike a fresh appearance. The most recognizable bike for novices is the HD Heritage Classic. A motorbike should be forcefully shown by its huge pushrod V-twin engines, windscreen, triple headlamp, balanced fenders, and large tires. The HD Heritage Classic 2023 in chrome has the option of spokes, which gives it a more classic appearance. Then, take in the modern style that the black finish enhances. With an amazing array of standard amenities, the Heritage Classic is positioned halfway between the Road King and the Sportster. The Heritage Classic rides on the same chassis as the Softail, but it features a windscreen and saddlebags. It's a dual-purpose motorbike as a consequence, ideal for lengthy weekend excursions and looking fantastic for riding in the city. Excellent suspension travel characterizes the Heritage Classic. Additionally, its floorboards land at a proper time. Though the 16-inch front wheels twin discs are fantastic, this bike has never been meant to be ridden as hard as possible. Rather, it's always been about appreciating the world around you while sporting the aggressive appearance of a mini-ape. A thrilling option for motorcyclists looking for a strong V-twin cruiser-style motorbike is the 2023 Heritage Classic. The motorbike is easy to maneuver and has comfortable, practical features like lockable storage and wind protection. You will adore the Heritage Classic's level of commitment.